Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. Long time no see, but I'm back. So I had to take a little hiatus because about 2 months ago, sitting at a red light, somebody on their phone comes up behind me, full speed, totals my car out. I had to get some therapy done on my lower back, had an injury, and going through the therapy, and I had to get a epidural and the whole nine. We're back. I can stand for long periods of time with no issues. So you're probably like wondering, like, is this an old video? No, it's not an old video. I moved the wall on that side because I was like, man, I put all this work in and now it's covered up. No, we're gonna go back to this, all right? It's only fabric, it's only thread. So we got projects coming up and Veterans Day is coming up. So I was invited to work on a project and I have all these ideas like floating around in my head, and I think I've narrowed it down to one idea, and it's going to involve all of the uniforms, all of the utility uniforms of the United States Marine Corps. That's all I'm going to say, okay? And then we're going to move on from there, okay? But I'm happy I'm back. I've worked on a few things. I had some private things I had to work on with, having found a new family member. We'll talk about that. And it's just good to be back, okay? So I'm happy to be back. We're gonna be working on some things. I got some projects lined up for us to work on together, and I'm happy and healthy, and the wife is the same. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And you're probably like, hey, where's this thing going? Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.